3 ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see, or I'll guide you through the 3 ways where you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now, if you open up WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the 3 dots option at the top right corner of the screen and then head into settings, and on settings head into chats. Now if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option chat backup. Tap on it and here you'll get the option to back up to Google Drive. Now make sure to turn it on to daily, and what this does is it'll back up your chat daily, and even if you delete it, you'll find it in your backup, whether you have saved it in your Google Drive or anywhere else. The second way how you can do is by using a third-party app. Head into your app store and search in for chat backup. WhatsApp, search in, and then you'll get varieties of apps. You can choose anyone and you can install it, and it'll start backing up your data or chat, and you will be able to look at it whenever you delete a chat and you want to get back at it. So this is the second way. The third way is when someone sends you a message, you'll get a notification on your notification bar. Now the trick here is, if you head on to your notification bar and read the chat before opening the chat, then you might just be able to read it from your notification bar. So these are the 3 ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.